Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add a Pomodoro timer to Notion, and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Adding a class schedule in Notion involves creating a database to organize your classes. Here's how you can set it up. Open Focus. First, open your web browser and go to Focus website, pomofocus.io. Set the Pomodoro timer. On the Focus website, set the timer for your Pomodoro session. Typically, a Pomodoro session is 25 minutes, but you can adjust the timer duration based on your preferences. Start the timer. To do this, click on the Start button to begin your Pomodoro session. The timer will start counting down. Copy the timer URL while the timer is running. Copy the URL from your browser address bar. This URL contains the unique link to your active Pomodoro timer. Open Notion in your web browser. Create a new page in Notion where you want to embed the Pomodoro timer, or open an existing page where you want to add the timer. On the Notion page, click on the plus button to add a new block. Select Embed from the options. Paste the timer URL in the embed block. Paste the URL you copied from the Focus timer. Resize the embed block as needed to display the timer appropriately on your Notion page. Once you've adjusted the block sizes, save your Notion page. The Pomodoro timer from Focus is now embedded in your Notion page. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.